Hello guys, I will show in this video how to get Firebase Cloud Messaging API key. Go to Google Search, enter Firebase, click one first link, click Get Started. Add new project, enter project name, continue. Scroll down, Continue. Select Firebase account, create project. Wait 30 seconds and click to continue. Left side menu settings gear icon. Click to project setting. Cloud messaging. Current cloud messaging API disabled. Click this three dots. Manage API key. Click to enable and wait. Okay, now refresh this page. You can see Cloud Messaging API key. Thank you for watching.